Today I will introduce you suitable for agricultural sowing, spraying fertilizer, four-wheeler full-road salt and snow removal, carried size, 1.3 meters long, 90 centimeters wide. Motor can be 1000 watts or 1200 watts. As you can see, there's a plastic bucket in the back of the car where you can put fertilizer or salt, whatever you need to spray. With front windshield, hand-operated platform, simple and easy to use. Equipped with wiper motor. Brake front wheel using external oil brake, rear wheel built-in air brake. LCD digital instrument display, simple button, automotive-grade neutral DNR file. The front handle controls the amount of fertilizer. The controller controls the spraying range of fertilizer. This is where the fertilizer comes out. This car uses a charge and discharge dual-purpose charging gun, automotive class suspension, variable speed rear axle, load of 1500 kilograms, flange taper adjusting rod, universal shaft.